All right, we're coming in from the garage. Okay, so we're gonna go this way. There's the front door. Here is the half bath. Tiles done. Laundry. Tiles done. We're gonna go here. This is the walk-through. Little desk area. We'll walk through here into the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. And the dining room. Up to the walk-through. There's back at the garage. Now we're going to turn and look this way. At the kitchen again. Here's the living area. Come this way into the master. Here's our master. I'm really excited. My bathroom's getting closer. There's my tiles all done in there. Sink area. My room of closet. We'll go back out. Okay, oh, there's the commode. Okay, we're coming back around, out the door. We're gonna go up the stairs. It's the little attic door there. It's the little upstairs living area here. Come over here to Kay's room. Walk through here into Kay's Jack and Jill. There's his shower and everything. Come back out this side door. There's this again. Big linen closet. Guest bedroom. There's this way. And this is the movie room.